Hello, I'm Marinate. Today I'm going to cook sesame chicken. First, cook sesame seed in microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. The seeds should become crispy and fragrant. Prepare sweet and sour sauce. I will use the formula of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy to remember and the flavor guaranteed. Cut chicken legs into bite size. Marinate with salt and pepper. Coat chicken with eggs. Add tapioca starch and flour. Mix into batter. Right before frying, add more tapioca starch, mix well. Preheat wok over medium-high heat until bubbles appear around the tips of chopsticks. Put chicken into oil piece by piece to prevent from sticking together. Remove chicken piece by piece when light brown. And remove the rest. Keep heating oil for 1 to 2 minutes. Return chicken back into oil. Drain chicken when it's golden color. Preheat oil over medium fire. Add sweet and sour sauce mix. Stir in one direction until large bubbles appear. Add chicken. Stir to coat chicken with the sauce. Sprinkle with cooked sesame seed. Comparing to sweet and sour chicken, which use ketchup instead of soy sauce, sesame chicken has more savory taste in it and is very delicious. If you liked this video, please thumb up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Marinate. See you next time.